Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ren Sago, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can increase your profit by over 2% with this simple hack. It only takes 2 seconds to set up, and it's really simple. So what is this? Well, you're basically increasing your average order value by more than 2% for free, and it's basically pure profit. This is something I've implemented on all of my stores, and like I said, it only takes around 20 seconds to set up, and it's super awesome. And I know a lot of dropshippers don't do this, but you gotta make sure you have fast shipping for this. All right, let's just jump right into it. So as you can see on one of my stores here, now it says in SEK, but you could just think that it would be dollars. Usually I do 2.95, 4.95, and 8.95 here. So now what is this? Well, it's called priority shipping. So I've got free shipping, of course, and I've got priority shipping, priority insured shipping, and then I've got priority insured shipping plus 2-year warranty. This is something I set up for all of my stores, and it's super simple to set up. You just go to your shipping page, and then you add these ones, right? Doesn't take long. It's super awesome. But something I wanted to go over before I end this video, because I know a lot of people are going to add this to their stores and then they're gonna have like 3 months shipping time. You gotta make sure you have fast shipping, man. So me personally, I have 5 to 15 days shipping from China to the US to the UK, depending on the season, of course. Usually it's like 5 days shipping to the UK, but now it's kind of slow, and especially now with the restrictions that are going on over there. But anyway, like I said, all you do is add these 3 more categories. Make sure you're shipping, you could call it standard shipping, doesn't matter. I usually call it free shipping, but you gotta add these things to your store, and it's going to increase your profit like crazy. Most people are going to add it. Trust me, it does really work. I was kind of hesitant at first, but yeah, that's basically what I do, and it's awesome. All right, that was basically it for the video. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up with Shopify payments so you can check out in different currencies: US dollars, Norwegian kroners, whatever, Swedish kroners, pounds, euros, Australian dollars, Canadian dollars. Set everything up with Shopify payments, because there's not a lot of ways to do that, but I want to show you guys exactly how I do things, and I'm going to be super transparent about everything I do on my stores. All right, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.